What's the meaning of anathema? Anathema. 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 Anathema.
Anathema refers to a person or thing that is greatly disliked, cursed or shunned, often considered unacceptable or beyond redemption. It can also refer to a formal ban or condemnation pronounced by a religious authority. Being deemed an anathema can result in social exclusion, public shaming, or even legal penalties. The word carries a strong connotation of hostility and rejection, often associated with extreme measures taken to isolate or eliminate the offending party from the community. Overall, anathema implies a severe judgment of revulsion and is used to express strong disapproval or condemnation.